A leap forward in textile technology, Nova Graphene is pleased to introduce our proprietary formulation and process for the manufacture of graphene-enhanced ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, or PEG for short. In fact, Nova Graphene's new line of lightweight and flexible ballistic armor is made possible with layers of PEG material. Here are some quick facts. It has a strength modulus greater than 125 gigapascals, elongation of 3 to 5%, density of 0.97 grams per centimeter cubed. Its abrasion resistance is an order of magnitude higher than stainless steel. Graphene enhances energy absorption and increases UV resistance. So, what is this wonder material? PEG is a subset of the thermoplastic polyethylene. Like standard polyethylene, our PEG has extremely long chains with a molecular mass usually between 3.5 and 7.5 million AMU. The longer chains serve to transfer load more effectively to the polymer backbone by strengthening intermolecular interactions. This results in a very tough material with the highest impact strength of any thermoplastic presently made. PEG is odorless, tasteless, and non-toxic. It enjoys the added traits of being resistant to concentrated acids and alkalis, as well as numerous organic solvents. It's highly resistant to corrosive chemicals, has extremely low moisture absorption, and a very low coefficient of friction, is self-lubricating, and is highly resistant to abrasion. All of these characteristics are further enhanced by the addition of our CarbonEra Platinum graphene. If you're interested in enhancing your inventory with this lightweight, flexible product, or want to learn how graphene can improve your material or product, reach out to us at info@novagraphene.com.